In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate and flip photos in Canva. Whether you're adjusting a photo that's slightly crooked or creating a fun mirrored effect, knowing how to rotate and flip images will give you much more control over your designs. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Canva project. First, open your Canva design in the editor. This can be any design type you're working on, like a social media post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. Once the editor is open, look for the photo you want to adjust. This might already be placed on your page, or it could be in your uploads or the photos tab on the left side. Click on the photo so that it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and small handles appear around it. Let's start with rotating the photo. When the image is selected, you'll see a rotate handle appear just outside one of the corners of the image. It usually looks like a small circular arrow. Move your cursor over that handle, then click and drag it left or right. As you drag, you'll see the photo slowly rotate. Take your time and adjust it until it's at the angle you like. You can rotate just a little to straighten a slightly tilted picture, or go all the way around for a more dramatic look. Release the mouse button once you're happy with the position. If you don't like the result, you can always undo and try again. Now let's flip the image. Make sure the photo is still selected. When it is, a toolbar will appear above the design area. On this top toolbar, look for the option labeled Flip. Click on it, and a small drop-down menu will appear with two choices: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. If you choose Flip Horizontal, Canva will mirror the image from left to right, as if you're viewing it in a mirror. This is great if you want your subject facing the opposite direction. If you select Flip Vertical, the photo will be turned upside down, flipping it from top to bottom. This can be useful for reflections or creative layouts. Feel free to experiment with both rotating and flipping until the image looks exactly how you want it. You can always combine the two. Rotate first, then flip, or flip and then fine-tune the rotation. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to move on with the rest of your design.